Hello, guys, welcome back. If you think ChatGPT is just a tool, you are already losing the grace because the truth is scary. ChatGPT is not competing with your company, it is competing with you. And the question is no longer will AI replace jobs, it is will AI replace you or will you upgrade yourself? Stay with me for the next 7 minutes. I promise this video will tell you exactly where humans still win and where AI will crush you in the next 12 months. Let me start with something uncomfortable. AI is not taking jobs. AI powered humans are taking jobs. Two people with the exact same degree, same years of experience, same role, but one knows how to use AI like a superpower, the other works the old fashioned way. Guess who gets promoted? Guess who gets laid off first? You already know the answer. We are entering a world where one AI skilled professional is equal to five non AI professionals. Companies want fewer people with bigger impact. Efficiency is bigger than experience. This is the real world. Let's be honest. ChatGPT writes faster than you. It analyzes data faster than you. It learns faster than you. It works 24/7. If your entire job is writing emails, generating reports, basic coding, making PPT presentations, doing research, then yes, ChatGPT is a threat. And companies already know this. In 2025, companies are asking only one question: why should we hire a human who works 8 hours when AI can do the same job in 8 seconds? But here is what ChatGPT cannot do. There are four things AI still cannot replace. First one is judgment. AI gives answers, but you understand consequences. Second, context. AI knows data, but you know the people behind the data. Third, emotion. AI can't build trust, influence, or leadership. And fourth, strategy. AI can solve the puzzle, but only humans see the game. This is why the highest paying roles today are AI trainer, AI strategist, prompt engineer, cloud architect, cyber security analyst, product owner, project manager. Because these roles require decision making plus creativity plus leadership, a combination AI simply cannot replace. The next question is who wins the race? It is not AI versus humans race. That database is pointless. The real competition is AI assisted you versus non AI assisted you. That is the race. The winner is the version you who learns faster, learns smarter, and learns with AI. If you don't adapt, AI will replace you. If you do adapt, AI will promote you. Simple. To stay ahead, learn these three skills immediately. First one is prompt engineering because asking AI is not a skill. Talking to AI like a CEO talks to a consultant is a skill. Second, AI augmented productivity. Learn how to build workflows, automation, research systems, content engines. AI workers are becoming superhumans. And the third, human leadership. The only thing companies will always pay for: communication, persuasion, trust, decision making, emotional intelligence. AI can't replace this. AI can only make it stronger. Forget everything you have heard. In the next 3 years, every career becomes an AI career. The winner will not be the smartest nor the most experienced, not the one with the biggest degree. The winners will be those who learn AI before AI learns their job. So answer this honestly. Are you running with the AI or are you running from AI? Because in this race, only one version of you survives. If you want more clarity on the future of the work, skill, and AI, subscribe to Sajin Explains. The future belongs to the prepared ones. Take care.